Well, I miss my brother. Why did he misbehave and get the death penalty?
Hey you!
Me.
Yeah you! Are you bored? Then go to the clock store. Yeah, it'll be fun and you have a blast, so go to the clock store. Now out.
Okay, but I need to ask Dad. Dad, can I go to the clock store? Gee, thanks.
Wait, what?
Welcome to the clock store. May I take your order? Beepy the alarm clock. Is that you?
Yes, it is me. Nice to see you, old friend.
I haven't seen you since your brother tore down the old clock store. How is he?
He got the death penalty for that.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Can I have a brother that is calm, quiet, and friendly?
How about, James, come here.
Yes.
James is calm, quiet and friendly.
I'll take him.
That will be $24,000.
Here's the money. Have a nice day, old friend.
Beepy. How dare you get a brother while I was asleep? You are rounded for 2512893187267112893464096348974853649748546497486432677 times 10.
We are going to cry now.
What